Hello, my mommy and I am going to make a mini scrapbook. It's this cardboard paper, plain print paper, pen and pencil, scissors, ruler, puncher, string or rope, decoration and glue. We're making a scrapbook of 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Example of 2D shapes are square and triangle. Example of 3D shapes are cube and cylinder. Watch with us to see how we made it. Using the color cardboard, I fold to the size of my scrapbook. Use the paper glue. I put the plain paper and the cardboard together to form the pages of the scrapbook.
Turn it and press it round. It's okay. The glue is okay. So now we turn the paper this way and press it like this nicely. This is part 1 page of our scrapbook.
Keep watching. Help me to draw the shapes on the color cardboard. My mom cut out the shapes so I can stick them to the cardboard. My mom punched the cardboard to make hole for the scrapbook. I put the rope through the hole to form a scrapbook.
Now we have our scrapbook almost done.
Glue the shapes to the scrapbook. Hexagon, a cylinder, a prism, a rhombus. I'll label my scrapbook. Butterfly to make my scrapbook beautiful. Enjoy how we made our scrapbook.
If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
Remember to hit the subscribe button
And turn on the bell notification so you don't miss our videos every Saturday. Thank you.